Mike here to teach you guys all about coconut shrimp today. Seems to be one of our popular menu items, so I'm going to walk you guys through the way I make my coconut shrimp here at Balfour, and the ones you guys have been eating, and the one that's coming up on your menu shortly. So we start today with grabbing our U1317 Black Tiger shrimp. We purchased these healed and deveined. They are served tail off, so that way it makes it easier for us to crust them today. And then as you can see, I've got a few other things that kind of make the dish key. Mango, basmati rice for our salsa, both those items there, as well as lime juice, red peppers, scallions, and red onions. But the most important ingredient that we have here, and the one that's actually hiding behind me, is our coconut and our cornflake. Most of you might be surprised to understand that there is cornflake in your coconut shrimp, but it's what really helps add the sweetness to that coconut. So, by showing you guys how this all comes together, coconut shrimp is pretty easy to make in your own home and can be done for any of you guys for dinner. What I do is I start off by actually crunching up my cornflake rather, and I mix it with my coconut until I get something of a mix like this. So this is where my coconut is, and this is with my crushed cornflake. So you guys can see what kind of a mix you're really putting together. Shake that right on in. And it's as simple as having an egg wash on hand, guys. A little bit of seasoning. I cheated these, I already butterflied. Right on into my egg wash. Right on in. And coat. Right on in and coat. It's that simple. And that's the secret to our coconut shrimp here. Now, I can walk you guys through the rest of the plate you guys are used to seeing here. And we'll show you what this looks like when it's all put together. Finish breading these up real quick. In this pan over here to my right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by warming up the rice, and then I'm going to talk to you guys about the mango salsa that usually gets served with our coconut shrimp. We start by just taking a whole mango and dicing it up quite small. I don't know if you can see inside this cup right here. But as you can see, I've got that mango cut to a pretty small consistency. Much like the red pepper and the red onion, all that over here. Finish my last shrimp and set those to the side. So I've got 3 butterfly shrimp here, all packed with coconut goodness. All right, 1, 2, 3. And this is just cooked basmati rice, nice and plain. You can cook some extra from one night, save it for the next, reheat it up. Behaves great. Let's let that rice warm up. For our salsa here, starting again with some of the mango. And some of the red onion. I like to put in a little green onion for color. And a little red pepper too, because it's fun. Pinch of salt, not too much. And then just a squeeze of lime. Something to keep it nice and fresh. Nothing too crazy there. See if our rice is nice and hot. All right. Well, those are those 2 components. Let's switch off for a second here and I'll show you what the final dish looks like. Fresh fried coconut shrimp right here. Usually we end up plating that with, like I said, just a little bit of our mango salsa. And each one of those kind of brings out the sweetness. forget your sides of coconut rice. Underneath there for a bit. That's much better. That's a setup for us now. And just a hint of cilantro for some garnish. Nice and fresh. Another fresh squeeze of lime. And there you go. Coconut shrimp. Hope you enjoy.